All right, so we're going to be talking about the physical design of this particular project. What I have here is a plate for an electrical switch, like the regular on-off light switches that you see here. You notice this is not the little one with like the knob on the front of it. This is the little thing that you like just rock it and it turns on and off. Um, so we're going to be using this kind of switch for this project. This makes the physical engineering a lot easier. If you don't have a light switch like this in your house, this is where I do the safety warning. You can totally just have one installed by whatever means. And what I mean by this is you have to go look up your local government's code and standards. You might need a professional electrician. There we go, those words. An electrician to go ahead and install this kind of plate. But in most places, that's really not the case. And to be honest, it's not complicated. Follow good sense and prudence, look up safety regulations, look up the laws in your area. Okay, disclaimer done. Anyways, you've got one of these. These are super cheap. Like, you can change the outlet for like $2. Or the switch type to one of these for like $2. With the plate in some places, depending on where you buy it. Because the plate itself is like 70 cents. It's really, this is not a hell of an investment. Anyways, you've got this kind of light switch going on in your house. And what's going to go is we're going to put a servo here and a servo here on the bottom, and the servo's arm is going to be always not in the way, so I can flip the switch without having any trouble going on with it. And when I need to turn it on or off, I'll just activate one of the servos and it'll push the switch down to that direction. I originally built this with just one servo, and it is doable with one servo, one of the micro servos, but I tested it out for like a week and a half, and eventually I had the servo fail. Because I was pushing it to its limits, really, because of the amount of leverage that was going on here. But by having two servos placed in the end, we're reducing the amount of torque on the servo significantly. And I feel like this should be a pretty stable project. I'll update it if I have any opinions other than that later, but I foresee this being a long-term stable project.